In a recent movie I used master snap points in symbols. Now I want to show you how you can use master snap points in walls. Now when I'm dimensioning, it's quite tricky to make sure I'm snapping to the right part of the wall, and that's due to my wall style. Let's right click, let's edit my wall style, and this is what I want to look at here, structure. So double click on structure and let's have a look here. What I would like to have is master snap points on the left and right side of that component, just that component alone. I also notice that I've got different classes for different parts of my wall, and this is also going to help with dimensioning. Okay that, yes to that, and I've now got master snap points. So you'll notice now that it's much easier for me to snap to those components of the wall. So let's have a look at my framing plan. Now my framing plan turns those components off to make it even quicker. So when I dimension, it's much easier for me to click to the master snap points on my walls. Let's have a look at this wall. Let's edit that wall style and we'll go through the same thing. So let's look at the structure again and turn on the left and right master snap points. Now I need the left and right because it's an internal wall and I don't know whether I'm going to be snapping to the left or the right. I'm just going to use my V key, which is the visibility tool. So I've just hidden the carpet using the V key with my keyboard. So now it's much easier for me to snap to those walls. Now there's another thing that I'm going to do to speed up my snapping and dimensioning, and that's to turn off most of these options here. And this will really speed up my dimensioning as well, because I'll only be able to snap to certain parts of my wall. I'll be able to snap to the end, I'll be able to snap to that point, I'll be able to snap to that point, be able to snap to that wall, that window, that window, that window. So I'm only snapping to the ends of things, and it really speeds me up when I'm doing that. The downside of that, of course, is I need to go back here and turn all of these back on. So double click on that. I need to turn them all back on later on when I want to do some other dimensioning or some designing. Now there is a way around that. I'm not sure if I've shown you already, but I have a script palette called Utilities, and it's got snaps on. So now if I double click on dims, snaps for dims, you'll see that it's turned off most of those. Let's go snaps on, double click on snaps on, and it turns all my snaps back on. So this little utility really speeds up my dimensioning as well. So what did we cover? So we looked at the wall component to make sure that master snaps were on the left and right side of the wall. We also looked at turning off classes so that we could hide components of the wall to make it easy to dimension to those main components. And we also looked at turning snaps off to speed up your dimensioning. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.